Hello, coffee enthusiasts. Today we're diving into how you can craft the perfect cup of coffee right at home. Whether you've got a coffee machine, a French press, or an espresso maker, we've got tips just for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right coffee beans. Start by selecting high-quality, freshly roasted beans. For the best taste, grind them just before brewing, selecting the grind size based on your brewing method. Next, step 2, measure the correct amount of coffee for your brew. A good rule of thumb is 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee per 6 ounces of water. Adjust this based on your personal taste. Moving on, step 3, heat your water to the right temperature. Aim for around 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot and your coffee might turn bitter, too cool, and you won't extract enough flavor. Use a kettle with temperature settings or cool the water slightly after boiling. Step 4. Brew your coffee. Follow your specific method. For a French press, add coffee and hot water, stir, and let it steep before pressing down. For a coffee maker, fill the filter and let the machine do the work. If you're using an espresso machine, follow its instructions for a robust brew. Finally, step 5. Enjoy your coffee. Pour it into a cup and savor each sip. Try adding milk, sugar, or flavors to create your ideal cup. Remember to enjoy the process of making your coffee as much as the coffee itself. And there you have it, the perfect cup of coffee at home. We hope these tips elevate your home coffee experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and share your coffee making stories in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy brewing.